It's the middle of a sweltering July afternoon, and I'm hosting a backyard barbecue. I wanted to keep everyone cool, so I bought what I thought was a top-tier smart ceiling fan. But instead of a refreshing breeze, we got a clunky, noisy nightmare that kept losing connection to the Wi-Fi. It left my guests sweating and me frustrated, fumbling with a useless app while trying to flip burgers. The market is flooded with options that overpromise and underdeliver. But don't worry, I've done the heavy lifting for you. Today, we're looking at the top 7 wireless ceiling fans to help you find the perfect breeze for your home. Seven. Smafan S565E-L12-BF-1. The Smafan Apex Smart Ceiling Fan immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and the promise of smart home integration. I was eager to get it installed in my living room, hoping for a modern upgrade that I could control with just my voice. Out of the box, the matte black finish and carved wood blades give it a premium aesthetic that genuinely elevates the space. The integrated LED light kit is a nice touch, offering a good range of color temperatures to suit different moods and times of the day. However, my enthusiasm started to wane during the installation process. The instructions were less than intuitive, and the wiring felt more complicated than it needed to be for a modern smart fan. Once I finally got it up and running, the Wi-Fi connectivity proved to be a persistent headache. The fan would routinely drop its connection to my home network, forcing me to repeatedly go through the pairing process. When you invest in a smart fan, the last thing you want is to constantly troubleshoot its connection just to turn it on. When the fan was actually connected, the performance was adequate, but not mind-blowing. The 10-speed DC motor is reasonably quiet, but I noticed a slight ticking sound at higher speeds, which can be distracting in a quiet room. The airflow is decent for a 56-inch fan, but it didn't quite deliver the powerful breeze I was hoping for, especially given the size of the blades. It feels like the motor is slightly underpowered for the scale of the fan itself. Overall, the Smafan Apex is a visually appealing fan with some good ideas, but the execution falls short. The frustrating connectivity issues and the slight motor noise make it hard to fully recommend, especially if you rely heavily on smart home automation. If you're willing to overlook these flaws for the sake of its design, it might still have a place in your home. But there are more reliable options available on this list. 6. Renegade B0848GQJ78. This fan boasts a rugged, industrial design that I thought would be perfect for a covered patio or a large, open-concept garage. It's an 8-blade behemoth that certainly makes a statement, and the build quality feels robust. I was excited to test out its smart features, particularly its compatibility with various smart home ecosystems like SmartThings and Control4. The promise of seamless integration into a wider smart home setup was a major selling point. Unfortunately, the Renegade's smart features were a bit of a letdown in practice. While it does connect to various platforms, the native Modern Forms app is clunky and slow to respond. I found myself waiting several seconds for the fan to register commands from my phone, which defeats the purpose of having a quick, convenient smart control. Furthermore, getting it to consistently communicate with my existing smart home hub required more tinkering and resetting than I'm comfortable with. It felt like I was fighting the technology rather than benefiting from it. When it comes to actually moving air, the Renegade is a mixed bag. On the highest settings, those 8 blades definitely push a significant amount of air, making it suitable for larger spaces. However, this power comes at the cost of noise. Even at medium speeds, the fan produces a noticeable hum that can be intrusive, especially if you're trying to have a conversation or watch TV nearby. For a fan in this price range, I expected a much quieter and more refined operation. The Renegade also features an integrated LED luminaire, but the light output is surprisingly dim for such a large fixture. It's adequate for ambient lighting, but it won't serve as a primary light source for a room. In the end, the Renegade feels like a fan that prioritized a bold look and a long list of smart home integrations over reliable performance and user-friendly operation. It's a striking piece of hardware, but the user experience leaves much to be desired. 5. HAIKU Registered L Ceiling Fan. This is a brand known for making serious air-moving machines, and the HAIKU L is their attempt to bring that engineering prowess into a more accessible residential package. I was immediately struck by the fan's minimalist, aerodynamic design. It looks less like a traditional ceiling fan and more like a piece of modern sculpture. The installation was refreshingly straightforward, a stark contrast to some of the earlier models on this list. The HAIKU's performance is where it truly shines. It is incredibly quiet. Even at its highest speeds, the motor is practically silent, leaving you with only the gentle sound of air being moved. This is a massive plus for bedrooms or quiet living spaces. The airflow is smooth and consistent, creating a comfortable environment without feeling like you're caught in a wind tunnel. It's clear that the aerodynamic design of the blades isn't just for show. It actively contributes to the fan's efficiency and quiet operation. The smart features on the HAIKU L are also a significant step up. The fan connects seamlessly to its companion app, which is intuitive and responsive. I particularly enjoyed the SenseMe technology, which automatically adjusts the fan speed based on the room's temperature and humidity. It's the kind of set it and forget it convenience that you actually want from a smart appliance. While it doesn't boast the extensive list of third-party integrations as some competitors, what it does exceptionally well. One detail to note is that Big Ass Fans doesn't just build these for looks, they build them for endurance. I watched their promotional material where the HAIKU coastal version was tested against intense storm-like conditions, completely drenched in water while still spinning flawlessly. While the standard HAIKU L might not face a hurricane in your living room, that level of engineering inspires confidence in its long-term durability. It's a premium fan that delivers a premium experience. DREO B0CVL459CB. DREO is a brand that's been making waves in the home appliance space, and their entry into ceiling fans shows a lot of promise. This model features a clean, contemporary design with a low profile, making it a great option for rooms with standard or slightly lower ceilings. The build quality feels solid, and the inclusion of a stepless, dimmable LED light is a fantastic feature that gives you precise control over the room's ambience. What impressed me most about the DREO fan was its smart integration. The DREO app is one of the better ones I've used. It's fast, reliable, and easy to navigate. Pairing the fan with my home Wi-Fi and voice assistance was a breeze, taking only a few minutes. I love being able to adjust the fan speed and dim the light with simple voice commands, and the fan responded almost instantaneously every time. This is the kind of seamless smart home experience that the earlier fans on this list struggled to provide. In terms of performance, the DREO fan utilizes a highly efficient DC motor that runs smoothly and quietly. The airflow is robust, effectively cooling down my medium-sized bedroom without generating any annoying rattling or humming noises. The fan offers multiple speed settings, and the transitions between speeds are impressively smooth. It also features a natural breeze mode, which varies the fan speed to simulate outdoor wind, a surprisingly relaxing feature that I found myself using often. The DREO fan strikes an excellent balance between price, performance, and smart features. It might not have the striking architectural design of the HAIKU, but it's a reliable, well-built fan that integrates perfectly into a modern smart home setup. If you're looking for a hassle-free smart fan with great lighting options and quiet operation, the DREO is a strong contender that won't disappoint. Hunter Aerodyne. Hunter is a legacy name in the ceiling fan industry, and the Aerodyne proves they can adapt to the modern smart home era. The Aerodyne features a transitional design that blends modern and traditional elements, making it versatile enough to fit into a variety of decor styles. I appreciated the matte finish and the clean lines of the blades. The installation was exactly what you'd expect from a Hunter fan, straightforward, well-documented, and relatively painless. The Aerodyne is equipped with Hunter's Simple Connect Wi-Fi technology. While I was initially skeptical given my past experiences with legacy brands trying to do software, the app and integration were surprisingly solid. It connected easily to my Apple HomeKit setup, which is a major plus for anyone deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem. Voice control via Siri was responsive, and the fan consistently executed commands without the frustrating lag I experienced with other models. Performance-wise, the Aerodyne is a workhorse. The motor is powerful enough to move a significant amount of air, quickly cooling down a room. True to Hunter's reputation, the fan operates very quietly, even at higher speeds. The integrated LED light is bright and provides excellent coverage, making it a viable primary light source for most rooms. The remote control that comes with it is also well designed and intuitive, providing a reliable backup if you don't want to use your phone or voice. What puts the Hunter Aerodyne in the top 3 is its reliability. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it takes a proven, high-quality fan design and successfully integrates robust, smart features. It's a fan you can install and trust to work consistently day in and day out. It offers peace of mind, excellent airflow, and dependable smart home connectivity from a brand that knows how to build a fan that lasts. 2. TCL Ceiling Fans. TCL might be better known for their televisions, but they have produced an absolute gem of a ceiling fan here. This fan features a stunningly sleek, low-profile design that hugs the ceiling beautifully. It's incredibly modern and unobtrusive, making it perfect for minimalist spaces or rooms with lower clearance. The unboxing experience was premium, and the components felt high quality and meticulously crafted. The TCL fan's performance is driven by a remarkable DC motor that is both powerful and exceptionally quiet. I installed this in my home office, and even on the highest setting, the noise was practically imperceptible. It moves air with a smooth, efficient grace that creates a very comfortable environment without any distracting mechanical sounds. The reversible motor function is also incredibly easy to switch via the app or remote, making it useful for both summer cooling and winter heat distribution. The smart functionality of the TCL fan is top tier. It connected instantly to my Wi-Fi network, and the app interface is clean and user-friendly. It integrates flawlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for quick, reliable voice control. I was particularly impressed by the customizable scheduling features, which allowed me to set the fan to automatically turn on at a low speed just before I started work every morning. The TCL Ceiling Fan is a masterclass in quiet efficiency and modern design. The integrated LED light is bright and dimmable, adding to its versatility. It's a fan that doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well and integrates seamlessly into a connected lifestyle. It narrowly misses the top spot, but it is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a low-profile, whisper-quiet smart fan. 1. Sofucor B08LL764L5. This fan perfectly combines rustic charm with cutting-edge technology. The carved solid wood blades are absolutely gorgeous, giving the fan a premium, crafted look that immediately becomes the focal point of any room. I was blown away by the aesthetic. It brings a warmth and character that metallic or plastic fans simply can't match, while still looking incredibly elegant. But the Sofucor isn't just about looks. It delivers unparalleled performance. The DC motor is an absolute powerhouse, generating an impressive amount of airflow that cools a room incredibly fast. Yet, despite this power, it remains astonishingly quiet. You can feel the breeze, but you can barely hear the machine creating it. The balance of the blades out of the box was perfect, resulting in zero wobble even at the highest speeds. The smart integration is flawless. It works beautifully with Alexa, Google Assistant, and its own dedicated app. The response time is instantaneous, and the connection remains stable without any dropouts. The integrated LED light features variable color temperatures, allowing you to switch from a cool, focused daylight for reading to a warm, inviting glow for the evening. The included remote is also a joy to use, feeling substantial and well laid out. The Sofucor fan earns the top spot because it excels in every single category. Breathtaking design, powerful yet silent performance, and incredibly reliable smart features. It's a statement piece that also happens to be the best performing ceiling fan I've tested. If you want the absolute best wireless ceiling fan that will upgrade both the comfort and the style of your home, the Sofucor is the clear winner. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.